Here we go. Welcome to Rutledge, Missouri. This is the second day of this. We've been dealing with this. Well, they say they're going to have a storm. They don't screw around. 60-mile-an-hour winds, hail, rain blowing sideways. Some crazy shit. And I'm hoping my little blue tent there doesn't go airborne. I'm trying to hold this awning down. If I can get out to get this pulled back, I will. But right now, if I do, I'm going to get hammered with hail. That's about a quarter size. So I'm just going to stand here and cross my fingers. If the thing gets too crazy, I'm going to grab it. So yeah, here this shit comes. Huh? Exercise hill we got coming down. And I'm stuck right now, so I can't do anything to get this thing up. If I do, it's gonna beat me to death.